Hi, many times we bookmarks the links for future use. What happens when we bookmarks over there? It is like overloaded this bookmark bar. So for that, this video will help you a lot, and it looks like quite professional. So what you have to do, just open your Google Chrome, and in this bookmark, or right click on an empty place, and here you will find an option like add folder. So you can add a folder over here with your customized name. Let's suppose I'm adding over here like courses. So once I will save, you will be able to see your folder name over here. Now if you search anything over here like w3 school html, so I just want to bookmark this site over here. So what I will do, click on this star button, and I will bookmark like w3 school course, or you can enter the name according to you, and also you have to select that folder like courses. So you will get the folder option which you have created into this drop down. So select this and click on done. So if you see, when you click like control T or new tab, so you will find these courses over here, and you will able to see like, yeah, this has been added. When you will click, it will redirect to the same your link. Also you can also add another link like java t-point html, and I just want to bookmark this one as well. So just click on this bookmark, and you can also customize this name, or you can keep it as it is. Select the folder name like courses. Done. So once you will do, and check the courses folder, so it will be done like this. So what is the purpose to maintain as a folder is like, this one will not look overflow. So for that you can do like, uh, let's suppose, I will show you by example. I'm doing another one like lead code. So I just want to bookmark this site. What I will do, like if I'm directly bookmarking this site like lead code and like bookmark bar, so if I will do it directly into the bar, so here it will be added into this bookmark bar as a directly. So if I let's suppose I want to add like 10 or 20 links, so it will be like overflow and will not look much better. So it is better to maintain a folder wise, and sometimes we are like working on a project, so we can also maintain like project wise, like project A, which helpful links for that particular project, so I can maintain under that particular folder only. So I hope this video will help you out. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. Till that, keep learning, keep exploring, and stay safe.